How to make money with Gengo. Hello, I'm Jason. Not only will I be showing you how much you can expect to earn on Gengo, but I'll also show you a secret way how you can maximize your earnings on Gengo. As you can see right here, Gengo is a website that persons go on to get translations, but you are going to be signing up as a freelancer. It's quite easy to sign up, so I will not draw out the video by showing you the sign up process, as all you'll need to do is go onto gengo.com and you're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom and tap on translator. And once you have done that, you're going to tap on become a translator, and it will carry you over to this page on which you'll quickly enter your email address and password. Or you could sign up with your Google account or your Facebook account. It is quite straightforward. Once you have done that, you can scroll down, as you can see right here on their Gengo page. And as I said earlier, this is a website that you'll be doing freelancing, and it works from anywhere in the world. As you can see right there, their global platform is available 24/7, and you'll be able to pick and choose your projects that you want to work on. And all you'll need is a PC, tablet, or smartphone to start earning money. So if we should scroll down even further, you can see an estimate of how much you're expecting to earn. If you're an English speaker, you'll be able to get $417 possibly per month, but that is not the most you can earn when it comes to Gengo. As if I were to choose, for example, Japanese, you can see that as a Japanese translator, you'll be able to earn $543. And now I know that a lot of you may not be bilingual, so you may not be able to do Japanese translation. So you're saying, how will that be able to help you? Or how will you be able to make even more as a Portuguese translator? Well, I'll be showing you how to do that, so be sure to stick around. First of all, you're going to need to go onto Fiverr. As on Fiverr, this is a freelancing website that is even more affordable than Gengo. You're going to go onto Fiverr. Once you get a job on Gengo, you're going to go onto Fiverr and you're going to type in translation. And depending on the language that you have gotten, for example, as you can see right here, you'll choose the language that you want to translate it from, and you'll choose the language that you want to translate it to. So let's say someone gave you an English audio file and you want to translate it to Japanese. You'll simply select that right here, and you'll be able to scroll down and you can get freelancers that will be able to do that job at an even more affordable price than what you're getting paid on Gengo. Once the person on Fiverr has submitted your job that you have given them, you'll be able to hand it in on Gengo, and here you'll be able to get even more money. So let's say, for example, you have gotten a job on Gengo and it is paying $500. More than likely, you'll be able to go onto Fiverr and you could get that same job done for $100 or probably less. So you'll be pocketing $400. If this sounds good to you, you can definitely give it a try, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.